guys, so today I've got Medusa's makeup big August birthday box. So they've been going on about this for a couple of months now, saying it's going to be like the biggest box of the year. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So when you open it up, there's a few cards on the top. They've wrote me like a little note and stuff. And this is what tells us what's inside. So apparently this is the August happy birthday box, like I said, and it's got a $55 value, so that is pretty high. For anyone that's not seen me open this before, I think to America it's about $16 and to England it's about $25. Don't quote me, but that's kind of roughly the price. So to the UK it works out about £20 anyway, for anyone that's wondering. So the first thing that we have on top is some cute little stickers, just for anything really, obviously, like notebooks or whatever, just some little stickers in there. Then we have a face wipe. So this is raw organic facial wipe, biodegradable cotton wipe with nutrient filled water. So obviously this isn't a Medusa's makeup item. I think they've just kind of thrown this in here like a little tester sort of thing. Then we have our first item. So this is the Sweet Cheeks Double Dare blush. Very, very cute packaging. It's like a little birthday cake frosting kind of design. Now I have seen this on Instagram and it's the brightest pink ever, so I don't think I'm really going to be able to use it as a blush, honestly. I mean, I'll try it out, but this is what it looks like. So super, super bright pink. I have already stuck my finger in this, I apologise. But it's very glittery and very hot pink. And it comes off that way as well. I guess if you get a tiny bit, you could try to blend it out into a blush maybe, and if you have a darker skin tone than me, then I'm sure it would look amazing. But on me, honestly, I think it's just going to look too bright pink. But if you don't blend it out, it's a super, super hot pink glitter, which would be an amazing eye colour. So that's probably what I will use it for. But yeah, that is our first item anyway. Then next we have a cute little keyring. So it says Escape the Ordinary on one side and Medusa's makeup on the other side. I know a lot of you are horror fans that watch me, and this is definitely giving me some The Shining vibes, like a little hotel key. It's very cute. So there is that. Then next we have an item that we've never had. Well, I mean, as long as I've been getting it, we've never had it in one of these boxes, and that is a makeup brush. So this is a blush brush, and it's very sparkly. It's got like blue and purple sparkles in there, and it says Medusa's makeup on the handle, and it is super, super silky soft. So that's a nice cute little item to get. I don't think I will use it for blush though, because I have a nice blusher brush, but I'll probably use it for highlight because it's quite a good kind of size for that. So that is that. And then we've got two things left. So we have this glitter, which is in the colour Mystique. It's kind of like a baby blue sort of colour. Now I do have some gel here to help it stick to my hand. This is just a fixed gel. I have no idea where this came from. But because it's like a true glitter, I want to be able to see it properly. So I'm just going to put a bit of that on there, and then I will show you what it looks like. So, super, super sparkly. Kind of reminds me of a mermaidy sort of thing. It's like a baby blue but with that green tinge of glitter to it. Very, very pretty. I think that on like the inner corner of your eye would look amazing. So there is that. And then our last item is a liquid eyeshadow. So this is in the colour Audrey. And it's kind of like a really sparkly gold liquid. So it says it dries down, so it doesn't stay wet or anything. I've never had a liquid eyeshadow before. I like this packaging though, this kind of square shape. And it does also say that it's buildable, so I guess once your first coat has dried, you could kind of make it more gold if you wanted. So that's just one coat there. It's a really nice gold colour actually. It's not too yellow. I think it's showing up quite yellow on camera, but it's definitely like a true gold in person. So I'm gonna let that dry for a second and then I'll put another coat on, see if it makes any difference or anything. Okay, so I let it dry for a second and put another coat on the top. It definitely makes it a little darker, I think, but I'm not sure why you would really want it that dark. I think one coat was kind of good enough, really. But yeah, that is everything that came in this month's birthday box from Medusas makeup. I actually really liked it. I think with this kind of stuff, because it's so bright and colourful and weird, it's not necessarily always something you would usually buy. Like I would never go out and buy like a liquid gold eyeshadow, but to have it in your collection is a nice thing. So I'll quickly go over what we got again. So we got the cute little stickers, the face wipe, the Sweet Cheeks blush, the sparkly blusher brush. I think this was probably my favourite item in the box. The little hotel looking keyring, the gold liquid eyeshadow, and the blue glitter. So all of this stuff for, depending where you're from, between like $16 and $25 I think, which like I said is about £20 to the UK. If you buy these things separately on UK websites, they're always between like £5 and £15 each. So to get things like this, the boxes for like £20, is a really good deal. But yeah, I will put the link for them down below in the description anyway, in case anyone wants to go check them out. This is the only makeup box I receive and I really like it, so I would recommend it. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.